'Cause we'll be on a tablet.
Good morning, Gaby. Hello, hello. Good morning. I'm going to give you a link to learn about some JavaScript today, okay? Wait, I'm going to copy paste it. Wait, where is the data? Wait, let me check. I think you can do this one, the hardest one. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to give you a link. Please open and share your screen, Gaby. Wait. There. Meanwhile, I will find something similar. Just in case you find it too easy or boring or probably not really match your mood today, I'm going to find something else. Oh, good. Okay, choose. Yeah, just follow the instructions. Yes. Good. Nice. Remember what I told you, Gaby, that JavaScript will give you a responsive code, like when you have a website and then you code it with JavaScript, and then you will have this moving parts, animations, and then interactions and so on. So this is how JavaScript looks like. This language is very popular because it's so light and been used. Almost every web developer use this for, creating websites and apps and animation and games and everything. So as you see, there's some code. The code is printing the rectangles and move them in random, right? They have a function to be able to make the rectangle bounce each time it reached the edge of the screen. So this is the part of the code that this code always update the position of each rectangle in loops. So it will do it continuously. How smooth is it? You don't have to understand the whole code, but you just see how things can be done in JavaScript. Probably you can scroll down.
Scroll down.
On the okay. Why?
Mm.
Let me check. Why this is? Probably okay. Gaby, I think you let's change the link. I think this is for creating it. They have changed the data science into try the other one, Gaby, the code Maven. The second link. It's similar but different approach. Different targets too. This is simpler. Okay. Okay, I'd like to see. Okay, just follow the instructions. Okay, good. I think. Okay, keep going. Good. Okay, using variables.
No.
Any
Don't
idea?
understand.
What does that do the same thing? Any ideas? Can you you should notice that now we have this variable to hold the size, right? So we don't have to say the size over here like 80, because we know this always be the same. So we just change these numbers into a variable. So we just call the variable to draw the rectangle. So the difference is only about using variables or not. This is the variable will make it simpler. So next time when you want to change the size, you just change the variable. You don't have to change this part of the code. So instead of changing two numbers, you just change one variable like that, Gaby. So it's like a simplification to our code. Okay, move on. I will explain again later when we find similar things. Okay. Yeah, you can move the position, right? Nice. Good. Well done, well done. Okay. All right. Okay, changed 80 to 80. So with variable, you will change, yeah, you can change lots of arguments at the same time. Wait, I am going to okay, well done. Good. Okay. Nice. Good. Change the colors. Good. Good. Mhm. Colors. Good. What code RGBB? R means a red, green, blue. So to have like this, Gabby, the key is that it is RGB, right? When R is the red part, G is the green part, and B is the blue part. So when you want it to be fully red, and then you will put 255 on the first part of the arguments. So if you want it to be full green, you put it on the second part. If you want to be full blue, and then you put it on the last part of the arguments and on the places representing each colors. Okay. So what if you want to have different colors like pink probably or yellow? So you can try to try some numbers to these positions. Like, let's say if you want to be something to be purple. Purple is the combination of red and blue, right? So we just put like this. It doesn't have to be in full so the range of the number is from 0 to 120 100 sorry 255. So you can you can, if you want the redness to be lower, you can put it like, okay, 100, and then this can be 90. This can be 10 probably if you want some gray. So experiment with this, Gaby. Try to change the colors. Try to modify, like probably you want to change how to make the red rectangle to be a purple one. And I want a yellow rectangle too. How do you get that? Okay. Well, meanwhile, I'm going to find you some courses for this one. Science. Oh, wait, here we. This one probably useful.
If you want the red one to be purple, then shouldn't I put a blue square where the
Oh.
red square?
Okay, let me show you, Gaby. Just like this. Okay. Yes. Okay, bro. You just move. You just modify. Okay. You just modify it right here. Like probably you want to add it right here. See? So if you want, oh, I want it to be less red. You just change the color. I want it to be a bit green on it. Add some green. So you can always. What if you put all 255? Sorry. You will get white, Gaby. So you will get white for all RGB 255, and you will get black for all zero. There. So you can play with the colors just by combining these three colors. So how do we get yellow, Gaby? I think yellow is
I don't know the combination.
the color combination. I think yellow is probably some green and some blue and no. Let's try. No, how to get yellow? Yellow is, wait, yellow is red, some red and green. Yeah, probably like that. Okay, I want some green. Okay, can we get it yellower? There. Probably more. Okay. So that's we usually in design programming usually use this RGB thing, Gaby. So don't worry. We can always, there's also this thing called color picker.
Yeah.
When you know, like they also have color representation in hexadecimal. So sometimes we do it in RGB, sometimes we do it in hexadecimal. Don't worry. This is just a part of learning. Okay, we can move on. Move on go. Okay. Yeah, we've done this. You can, yeah, reverse. Okay, good. Yeah, I have found something that we can do for your next lesson. Okay, good. Okay, good. This one. Nice. Okay. Okay. Can you make two boxes the same color? Either you can use words or you can use RGB. It's up to you, Gaby. You can change it to both to be red, or you can choose it to change it to be RGB. 255.00. Okay, good. Make both blue.
Hmm?
Ah, the last one, Gaby.
Oh, yeah.
B. Yeah. Well done. Well done. Okay, go. Move on. Then, hey, I like this color. Teal.
Mhm.
Nice. Okay. Figure out what the RGB number should be to make this both teal. Teal, I think, is combination between blue and blue and green. Yes, you get that so perfectly. Okay, now this one is really hard. Can you exactly match crimson? Okay, crimson is, I think, a lot of red and a little bit blue.
Mm, I don't remember the numbers though.
Okay, let me try. How about a lot of red and then a bit blue? Gaby, what? Okay, a little much, a little bit more. 30. Is it correct already?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay. Let me reduce the redness. Okay. How about this? Okay. Probably this one we have to modify. No, this is too red. Uh, shall we add some green? Nothing happens. What to make it lighter? Probably less blue. And then less red. Huh,
More red, maybe.
should we did more red or less red?
More red.
Less? But
More,
then
more.
more.
Yeah.
Okay, more red. More red, but how do we come close to the crimson one? Oh, okay. No. Okay, so no green. Green is confusing. Okay. Are we close enough? No. Okay. At least we close enough. Okay, go. Yeah, you didn't get it exactly. How close? Yes, this. Oh, this one. Okay. That's hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. How close did you get? Close enough. Olive, purple, aqua. Olive, purple, aqua. Olive is green, right? I think I know. Olive is, okay. Olive is something like, olive is something like this. Oh, probably olive. I don't know. Purple. We've got that. Red and blue will become purple. Aqua is blue and a bit. Huh, this is nice. Aqua is something. Aqua is something in between. Wait, we have a lot of blue and then less red. Okay, and then a lot green, more green. This is aqua, right?
Not sure.
Ah, okay lah. I think it's enough. All right, I like this color actually. Okay, good. Let's move on. Let's move on, Gaby. Don't worry. Don't worry, don't worry. I cannot click your script. Okay. Oh, RGBA is a fun version. Oh, this one, Gaby. When we have this one, we can change the transparency of the box. So if you have it 0, then I think it will be solid. And when it's, oh no, when 0 is completely gone, but 1 is completely solid. So anything in between 0 and 1 will give a certain kind of transparency. All right, all right. Wait. I think I have more interesting thing. Maybe let's try this one. Let's try this one. I don't know. I think you have to, I think this is more interesting for you. Open it, Gaby. Make an account. I think this is free. I have also registered. Let's do this. I think this will be more direct learning. Register, okay. Good. I'm going to start the course. But we only have 6 days for it. Okay. Next. Okay, let's see how we can do with this lesson. Okay, let's do this.
What do I do?
Skip for now. And then, okay. About this course. Yeah. Is there any start button on the top? Maybe go on top. Start course. Yeah. Okay. Next, probably. I'm checking. Oh, okay. Python basics. Okay, just next. I will guide you. Okay. We will try to do this course as far as we can get. Okay, Gaby. Okay, next. Okay, keep going. Okay, today you have to learn about string, floats, and integers. We've gone through this, so this is not going to be hard. Next. Okay. I think yeah, you can read this I have explained to you before, so we can just go next. We can just go next, Gaby. Okay. Do the quiz. Wait. Huh? Where's the next? Next again, Gaby. Nothing happens. Okay, do the quiz. 0 is integer or float?
Float.
I think it's integer because it doesn't have, like decimal part.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Correct. What is the type? Good, Gaby. Okay. Nice. The third. When you cast the float into integer, then what is the result?
3, right?
Right. Well done, Gaby. Good. Next. Well done. Expression and variables. Okay. Just scroll down. Oh, okay. Next. I will make it short for you. Oh, you're first. Okay, start lab, Gaby. Click okay. Okay. Your lab is loading. Okay, I'm going to do mine so I can keep up with you. Okay, submit. And then next. There you go, Gaby. And then what? Oh, read the click on the read me, Gaby. Here. Okay, objective. Say hello to the word in Python. Okay. There, Gaby. I don't know if we. Oh, to execute the code below, click on the cell, select and oh, you can compile it just right there, Gaby. Try it. But just follow the instructions. I think we can just type it in there like we do with Google Colab, remember? And then we can just run it. I think this is a good one. Okay, okay. Try to run everything and it can be so you will get through all the lessons. My lab is loading. I'm going to do it as well. So
How do I, shift and enter?
wait. Click on the cell and then you can click shift and enter. Try it, Gaby. Shift and enter. I cannot do it from here. There. Is it working? There. Hello Python. So you can, yeah. See, the result is is below. So you just now go through all the instructions and then run it. And let me know if something you don't understand. I am going to do it here also. Okay, hello Python. Okay, just shift enter. Shift enter. Oh, nice. Ah, it is not working here. Shift enter. It doesn't give me any result. Shift. Oh, hello Python. There you go. Okay, nice. The version Python we are using 3.10. 3.10.2. Shift enter, Gaby. Click on the cell first. Click in here, there, until you have this blue bar on the side, and then you just press shift enter.
But I thought I already did that just now.
But it doesn't give you the result. See, if you're done doing the shift enter, then you will get this, Gaby. You will get some kind of like symbol in there that you have run it. Have you done shift enter? You will
Yeah,
get like a number. Have you clicked on it like this? See?
because I already did this. This is the shift enter.
Yeah. And
But
then
isn't this a different instruction?
yeah, just shift enter there.
Mm,
There. Yeah. It is always shift enter for every every instruction.
okay.
Okay. So just read along, Gaby, and try to solve. I will help you once you get don't understand or have problems. Okay. This is good actually. This is mhm. I think it's going to be useful for you, Gabby, doing this, like exercise for data science and programming. And I think we should do this and try to get some certification, right, Gabby? So when you got some certifications, you can use it to apply for jobs and for school too, right?
Mm-hmm.
The only problem is, I think, if we want to get certification, then we have to pay. It is okay as long as we are doing the lesson.
Yeah.
And then when you are confident enough, or your mom is agree that you should
Mm-hmm.
get the certification, and after we have learned enough to be sure that we will get the certification, we can just pay, and then we get like certifications on certain topics for your future, so
Yeah.
your topics, right? So
Mm-hmm.
we just, our mission is to learn and get as much what like credentials that you
Mm-hmm.
can use later for work or applying for jobs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I think we will just do that. I will find more resources, but I want us to finish this so we can get through one lessons of doing data science with Python. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm on printing screen. Okay, go on, Gaby. There. Fine. Is there some errors? You can read the instruction. There. Something is wrong in the code. You have to fix it. It's supposed to be.
I can change the code.
Yes. There you go. There you go, Gaby. All right, good. One. Okay. Mhm. And okay. This is good. Well done. What's wrong?
Mm,
Check for the yes. Yes. Good. Well done. Okay, good. And and don't forget, Gabby, we only have a week to finish this lesson because this is only free for a week.
yeah.
So the faster the better to finish it before they make us pay. And I'm going to check how I'm going to check, okay. how much do we have to pay? Let me check on hands-on lab. Let me check for you. Dashboard. Upgrade to get full access to the course material, unlock both graded and earn verified certificate. Maybe I think this is, I don't know, let me check how much we have to pay if we want to get certification. Oh no, $99. How expensive. Wait. Yeah, quite expensive. Yeah, but with that, wait. This is only for one course or every course? Let me check.
What does this one mean?
Which one, Gaby?
When they ask print the traditional hello world.
Oh yeah, this is just like this only. So this part is the code. This part is the code, and then this part is the comment, Gaby. So it is common when we are doing coding. We usually give comments for our code, so we can remember later what is this part of code is doing. So we won't be confused later. So it just make the code more readable and clear to understand. So this is like you just print hello world and then type hashtag, and then this become a comment. Anything you can say anything in here. This won't be executed as a code. It is just like additional info for the programmer. So the code can we just leave the code without comments? It's okay, but normally we would like to add some comments just to give a note of what this code is going to do, or any certain notes like please enter only certain type of variables and so on. Okay, done. Next, go next to the next task, Gaby. Oh my. Oh, I see. Okay. I'm going to find you. Only we can find the free one. Okay, this is in Indonesia. Okay, we just skip. I think this is only video. How about hard part? Oh, okay. Okay, now we are learning about data types. So we have integer, and then float, string, and then we can also display the type with the keyword type. Okay, now we have to use type.
Shouldn't this be an integer?
Yes.
12.0.
Yeah. Yes, like this. So it is the type keyword is to show us the type of this object. Like if you're not sure about, okay, what kind of data type is this? We just type type, and then you put anything inside it, and it will tell you the type of the data you insert.
Mm.
Okay, float. Okay, done that part. Okay, now we are going to integers. You guess it, the type function. Okay, type -1 is integer. Type 4 is also integer. 0 is also integer. Meanwhile, the float is always have like decimal part. So when you have numbers and then you have like a dot or comma in between, so it must be float. And then we can also change the type by casting. Okay. Go on. Convert a string into an integer. Okay. Can be done. We can also change the string to number, vice versa. Okay. Okay. Oh, one Gaby. And we will get to the right. I think this should be integer. Good. Now this, and then this is float. So the type is basically just showing us what's the type. Okay, casting is changing the one type to another, right? Casting is to change one type to another. So you can always change, yeah, you can always change from string to integer, integer to float, float to string, and so on. Okay, convert a string to integer. Okay, convert. Then this will give error. It's just leave it. It cannot be. It cannot be convert because you cannot convert combination of string and numbers, so it will give you errors. Try to run it, Gaby. It will give you errors. Yeah, because it is confusing. You have you mix it up. Okay, move to the float. Yes. The string can be represented with single quotes or double quotes, but you can mix both. So the quotes has to be the same, single or double. All right. Now converting numbers to string. You can also change the numbers to be string. It depends on the purpose and the case. Okay.
Wait, what is a string?
String is words, like anything in between quotes, like words alphabets, words, sentence, it's string. But you can also treat numbers as string too, Gaby. For example, if you want to, like displaying a sentence along with numbers, so you have to change the numbers to be string so they can be concatenated like that. So
Oh.
there are some cases we have to make all the type is the same to be able to print it together. We usually will change any kind of variable to be string to be printed, and we will change it into numbers when we want to calculate. So it depends. All data or can be represented as numbers, as float, integer,
Yeah.
or. And another important, remember, I told you that there's a Boolean data type. It is about true and false. So Boolean only takes two types. Like, okay, is this true or false? So it's only two case. Is either true or false. We usually do this. Remember when we are doing the looping with while, when that it will go on forever until you are entering the correct password. Remember, Gaby? We use this
Yeah.
while true goes forever until the condition become false.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the another data type. Okay, scroll down. Let's see what are. Okay, we can also check the type of true. You can run it. You can yeah, just see how was the result. Okay, false. Yep. Move on. Of course, all Boolean. Yeah. Right. Good. Good.
Convert one to Boolean. What's that?
Yeah. So Boolean
Mm?
can be represented as number two, Gaby. So we can say that, okay, one is true, zero is false. Usually in programming, we can also say that, okay, while it's zero, means that while it's false, or while it's true, then we can say that while it's one. So we can convert the Boolean from words true to be one or zero, like that can be. It's just different representation. It depends on your preference. Lots of programmers prefer to be, okay, I prefer to see it in true and false, so because it's clearer. But some of them prefer, okay, I know zero is false, true is one. So they prefer to use number representation. It's just a matter of preference. So when we convert zero to Boolean, what happened? Run it, Gaby. Convert Boolean zero. Then it becomes false, and then convert to, what is the result of this one? True to float. So it has to be, guess it, Gaby. True become a float. True is supposed to be?
True becomes a float.
True is one, right? When it becomes float, then it has to be like this.
1.0.
Yeah. Yes. Run it. Run the cell. Shift enter. There you go.
How come
Now,
true is 1?
yeah. The like the agreement is like that. The encoding is like that. You can say one is representing true, 0 is representing false. It is the agreement like that. The agreement is like that. All right. Any more question, or you ready for the exercise?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do the exercise. What is the data type for the result? Okay, you just use type. And then
What does data type mean?
data type. I will show you. So you just see, okay, what is the type of 6 divided by 2? What is your guess?
3.
The type, not the result.
Mm,
Is
the
it going
type?
to be float or integer?
Integer.
Okay, let's prove it. Shift enter, Gaby. It is float. Why?
Huh?
Because I have told you that we have this. Do you remember that we have this operation? When you have this, it means like it is division. Division is the result of division, right? When we have this, we have mod, right? Mod is the leftover of the division. But the division, like when I say, what is the result of 10 div by 3?
3, 1.5.
3, yeah, 3, 1.5 or 3.3, like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
We have like this. But when we mod the 3, what is the result? It is the remainder is to be 1, because the remainder of the division between 10 and 3 is 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so division is the result of the operation division, but mod is the remainder of the operation division. So we also have this one. This one is when you round the result to be a rounded number. So
Yeah.
why this is the result is float? Because on division we usually have, like float numbers, right? Because not always division not always give you round numbers. Like probably when you say that, okay, then what is the result of 10 divided by 2? It is still be float, because it is the nature of the operation. It will give you a float uh, result. Okay, Gaby? Okay, now let's see the next.
Then when does it become an integer then?
Sorry, the integer. Okay, you can also, okay, the default of the operation of division is going to be float. But if you want it to be an integer, you can always cast it, Gaby. So you can like this type, you can force it to be integer. Okay, I want it to be integer. Then shift enter, Gaby. I cannot, yes. So this is going to be integer, because the default of the division operation is float, because
Mm-hmm.
usually, your division usually give you float numbers, right?
Yeah.
So then we have this, right? We have this different, okay, now we are going to see what is the result of double slash. If you double slash the number, what is the result, Gaby? Shift
Mm,
enter. Is going to be an integer. Why? Because when you use double slash, the result will be rounded to a round number. So it will become integer. It will, like, let's say I'm going to change it to be 10 divided by 3, but with double slash, right? Shift
mm,
enter B. the result will still be integer because you use double slash. The result will be rounded to, I think it is floor, rounded down. I think it's floor or seal. Like let's see. Let's say if I
So
print.
that means if it's a single slash, like 6/2, the answer is 3.0.
Oh yeah,
Mm,
because when you, okay, let's say let's try this one. Let's change it to be the same number. Please run this cell, Gaby. The 43 cell. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not going to use the integer. So here, I'm going to print, okay? I'm going to print instead of C. Sorry. Wait. Okay. Run it, Gaby. There. See the nature of this when I, okay, let's say I'm going to use it differently. It has to be round, right? But it will still be float. There. So each time you have an operation using a division, it will be a float automatically because it is the default. What if you don't want it? You can cast it by forcing it to be integer, or you use double slash. Run this one, Gaby. See, when you use double, when you use this double slash, it will automatically be integer. Run again. So it wouldn't have like 0.0 or something.
yeah.
Yeah. So this in data science, Gaby, it's the type of the number is really important because sometimes we operate, like we are calculating data in a wrong type. So you will get the wrong result because of the wrong type. Like you've been thinking that, okay, why, let's say, if you have you're doing accounting for banking, and then you are accidentally round down all the transaction of the bank, or the the balance of the user. What happened? Like you have like $1,000,000, and then you round it down into some integer, and you will lose all the numbers behind behind the like the decimal. Well, it's going to be a chaos. So it is really important, basic but important. Okay, done with it. No question so far.
No.
Going to expression and variables. Okay, now expression and variables is compatible for integer and floats. So you can always do the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, division, and rounded down division. Okay. So now I want you to read this and then do the exercise, Gaby. So you will see that, okay, the addition is just done like this, and then the subtraction and the multiplication and the division. Try to run all the cells, Gaby, and see the result. Okay. Okay. Good. So as do we? So anything with rounded will be, an integer, right? We don't have decimal, the trailing decimal. Okay, now exercise. Can you make an expression to calculate how many hours there are in 160 minutes, Gaby? Just an expression like probably 160 divided by,
Must I use like this hashtag thing?
no,
No.
it is just a comment. It's just a comment. You don't have to put it. It's additional. Uh-huh. Yes.
Wait.
Right, Gaby. Yep. Okay. Click for the solution. Do we get it right? Yeah, nice. Or you want, if you want it to be rounded, you can use double.
Double slash.
Good. Now we move on to this. You know the order of the expressions.
Yeah.
So yeah. So when you have like this, Python will do the multiplication before adding it, right?
Yeah.
But if you want to add it first, you have to give it priority by adding parentheses. So if you want it, if you just type it like this, the result will be 120 plus 30, which is 150, right? But if you do it like this, like below in here, if you do like this, you are forcing it to add it first before multiplying it. So the result will be different. It will be 32 times 60, right? So it also worked like that. Just okay, just run the cell, Gaby, to see the result. 150, and then how much is it? 32. Okay, 100. See the big difference, right? Okay, now variables. Remember the last one when we do the rectangles? Okay. And then we are going to use the variables. Variables is basically a placeholder for a value that you need during the calculation. So if you want, it's like, you know, like a cup for a coffee or a tea. So we have this variable x holding the result of this addition. Okay, so variable is just like that. Variable is just like that. It is just holding value for us. Okay, so you can name any variable with any, you can name it with any names, but it is suggested that you use useful name. I have a programmer, I know a programmer who likes to give the variables funny names, like, you know, X, not probably, blah, and then flip and something meaningless. And then later he will get confused when he read his own code, because it is not useful. So make sure you name it carefully. So you later you will remember, okay, this variable holds the addition. This variable hold the balance, hold the price of the shoe, hold the, and everything like that. Okay. Okay. I'm going. I think you will just understand this. Okay, without running it. So this is like we are assigning these numbers into x. So when we print the x, it will be the result of all this addition. Okay. And then we can also use another variable to hold the result of our the value of another variable. So we have calculate this one. Okay, Gaby, run it. Okay, and then run this one. Okay, we got 160, right? Now we want y to hold the value of the result of 160 divided by 60. So what is it? What is the result of this part, Gaby? Run. This is exactly like you did before, right? And we can also do this, Gaby. We can also override. So
wait, x is equals to what?
sorry,
Just now, x is equal to 160, is it? This one.
Oh, no, x is still the same thing. Yeah, 160, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So now y hold the number of 2.66666
Mm-hmm.
when safe contains of 160. But you can also do this, Gaby. You can override. So you can assign a variable with a new number that includes itself. So I can say like this. This is the easiest one. I can say that x equals to x plus 1. So when currently I have x as 9, then after this operation, I will get 10. And when I have 10, after this operation, I will get 11 and so on. So you can also do, like overwriting a variable with itself, with the current value of itself.
Mm-hmm.
So what happened if we run this, Gaby? What is the result? Okay, it is the result because the x hold 160, right? So when we override it, and it will hold the same number as y, right? All right, let's see now. Okay, just run this, Gaby. It is just naming the variable and then this one. So see, when we give it a name, it is more makes sense, right? So we know that total hours is total minutes divided by 60. So it is like, readable for us, make us easier to develop the code, right?
Mm-hmm.
So naming the variable is really important. Okay, run this part, Gaby. Okay, this is the same basically, but using better names of variable. You can also complicate the expression where you do all the calculation in one line. You can also do this.
So like this.
You add, you just do all. It's like you can either add all the minutes and then hold it on a variable and then later use the variable, or you can just throw all the numbers and then use the expression all in one line. So when you probably would ask, okay, is it better for me to use a variable or not? Depends on the case, Gaby. But usually we hold it on a variable because we are going to use it later.
Yeah.
Like, okay, I'm going to hold it in variable, like probably it's a rate of a price, or probably a rate of, like discount or price or anything. We have to hold it on some variables. So because we are going to use it over and over again, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do the exercise, Gaby. Let's do the exercise now. Do the exercise. Read carefully and then type.
So I write x equals to. Like this.
Equals 3 plus 2 multiplied by 2, and then yeah, and then at the end you just type x on the next line.
Like this.
Yeah, and then x. Just type x. Yeah, run the cell. Okay, so it's clear that the 2's will be multiplied and then added by 3, right?
But why do I have to put the X over here?
To print it, Gary, to print the result.
Wait, can I see what
Oh,
happens if I
Yes,
don't?
yes, good. Oh, it happens. It does it. See, it doesn't give you the result if you don't. I'll
So I
put-
must always write X.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, wait.
Okay. Well done, Gary. Oh, nice, nice, nice.
$17.
Nice. We're done?
Yeah.
Woo! Okay. Wait. Can we go back here? Wait. Gabby, let me. Okay. Okay, we can go next now. Well done, Gabby. Okay. Auditing the course. Oh. Okay, Jupyter Lab. Okay, noted. Okay, do the quiz, Gabby. Quiz the quiz. Do the quiz.
Huh? Only 2 questions.
Where's the question? Still loading there. That's it. Okay, next. All right. String operation. Just skip it. I will explain it to you. Okay. Hands on. Start lab, Gabby. Start lab. All right. Let's do another lab. Okay. Michael Jackson. All right. And then what? Digital and space. Basically, when we have anything inside quotation, then it is supposed to be string. Good. Good, Gabby. Okay. We can also assign string to variable as well. Okay, name Michael Jackson. Okay. Now indexing. Indexing is like, giving numbers for each letters in a string, Gabby. So it's like, it will start from 0 and then it will, like explaining the position of each letter, just like that. So if you want to get the letter J, you have to say that it is on variable name, position 8. If you want to get the N or O, probably O, it is on the name. Let me here. You want to get this one, and then you have to say that, okay, I'm going to get that letter in the name on position 13, like that, Gaby. So we can always refer to each letter in a string using these numbers. Using the numbers to refer to some element in array of string or anything called indexing, Gaby. So it's like just put it like this. Like, you know, when you go to a cinema to watch a movie, there are, you know, like sit with numbers, right? It's like that. I usually say that this is seat number. Or you want to get this seat, you can either say that, okay, I want to get the seat number 2 or the seat number 10. Depends on which one you need. So it's called indexing. Okay. Okay, let's move on about indexing. So if you print name on seat 0, what would we get?
M.
Yes, exactly, Gaby. Now try to there like that. If 6,
L.
yep. Good. The 13.
O.
Okay, okay. Can we use negative indexing? Yes, we can also use, but it's not common, I think. So negative will go from -1, and it is start from the right side, rather than from the left side. So, but I don't think this is common. But okay, just go along. So when we say print name -1, it's going to be n. So either way, you can refer to in 2 ways, positive or in negative. All right, all right. Okay, this is the important thing. Slicing. Slicing is when you want to get certain part of a string. So if you say it like this, Gaby, if you say 0 and then colon 5, that means you want to get from position 0 and then for position after. So you will get this. When you say like this, it will start on the position 8 and go through to the position 12. So it's like you are saying, okay, I'm going to capture the range of seat number from the start to the stop, just like that. Okay, so you can do slicing. Slicing is really important, Gaby, especially when we are doing data science and we have, you know, like lots of data from Twitter. But probably you want to, okay, I just want to get the first 2 words, or probably I just want to get, or I want to remove the first 3 words or the first 3 letters and everything. We do it with slicing. So slicing is really important in processing strings. So, okay, yeah, we do the slicing. All right, this is the slicing. Doing it just like this. You want to run it, Gaby? Okay, go. And then jack. Good. Now let's see. Another one is stride. Stride is when we want to do it, you know, like alternate position. Believe me, in some way it will be useful. Because lots of problems can be, you know, lots of strings problem or finding patterns. It can be done using this, you know, like acrobat. What do I call it? String tricks, thing like that. Okay, the key is on this, Gaby. See, when you want to do striding, and then we want to do it every second variable. So it's like you get it, and then you ignore, and then you get, and then ignore alternately. You just put this colon, 2 colon, empty. That means that you will get all from the start to the beginning. When you leave it empty, means that you will go from the beginning to the end. Okay, Let's say it's the n, I don't know, it is 14, yeah, 14. And we will get whatever on that position for each two positions. So starting from here, 1, 2, and then get it, and then 1, 2. So the step will be 2. So if you want to get the letter for each 3 position, you just change 2 into 3. All right. It is tricky, but later probably we will use this, but it can be done. So if you have things like this, Gaby, name 0, 5, and 2, that means we will get every second element from position 0 to
5 to 2.
5, or 0 to index 5. So 0 to 5 means that from the beginning 5 position, there are 5 seeds to be taken, but only every second element. So just write, Gaby. Run
Okay.
the instruction to see clearer, or what it will be done. Okay. So this is alternate, right? What happens here? What do we? Okay, only from this part, right? Gaby, only 5 seeds. So we only get the M, C, and A, like that. All right. Move on. See, the last thing for today, I think. Concatenate. The most used function in string is concatenate. Gaby, concatenate is basically combining string. Believe me, in some programming language, doing concatenation can be messy. But in Python, you just put, the addition sign, and then it's done. So let's say you have this statement. The statement is name plus is best. As we know, the name, we have set the variable name as Michael Jackson, right? So when we put it like this, run this part, Gaby, it will say Michael Jackson is the best. Okay. So if you want it to be any space in between, you just put it like that and run again, Gaby, like that. Because that it is useful when you want to, like combine between string and another string and the result of something and numbers and everything. You just do it by adding plus. But you have to remember, concatenate, you have to make sure the variable you concatenate has to be in string type variable. So you cannot, let's run this one, Gaby. Let's see. Okay, you can do this. You can multiply Michael Jackson 3 times. I have just known this one. I've never thought that, okay, Python is nice. Okay, you can do that without looping. Oh, nice. Well done. Okay. And then this Gaby. Change the Michael Jackson to be Gaby. I'm bored with Michael Jackson. Change it to your name. Yep.
Then I run it.
Yes. Okay, good. Okay, one more. We still got time. Escape sequence. Oh, okay. Escape sequence is like this, Gaby. When we want to change line in between words, you just put this. \n means new line. So when try to run it, Gaby. Try to run this one. So it will do in different line. And /t means tab. N is new line, T is tab. So it will, you will get a tab in between, in between the string. You can also get \. What happened? Try it, Gaby. Oh, if you want to have \, then to add another slash to get that \/ printed, because if not, the compiler will think that you are just using the \/ to do something else. So if you want to display it as a string, you have to do it twice. Okay, okay, what else? What else? We can also place an R before the string to display. Oh, okay. Okay, R, this on this.
Isn't it the same? Like, oh, actually,
Yeah, the same, except you have this R in the beginning to say that, okay, I'm going to display a backslash in this sentence, so that I I I I want to display it as a string, not a symbol. Not
yeah.
all right. Let's take a look on how far we have to go next time. Okay, this is about string basically, Gabby. You can go through. I think you can try to do it yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, about the string operation. But let me explain, and then report to me the
Yeah.
result. Okay, string operation. See here, you can convert the string to be all upper or lower. So if you say this is the variable A, right? The A contains Thriller is the 6th studio album, right? If
Yeah.
you want it to be all in uppercase, what to do is just you type the name of the sentence, the variable A, and then you give this upper, and then try this, Gabby, run this, and this one. There. Then it will be all upper. The same thing, you can do it as lower. If I change it to be lower, it all will be lower. It's just like that. The function is already there in Python. Try it again, Gaby.
It should it be in the bracket or no?
No,
No.
just run it. There, all will be lower.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and then you can also use replace the same thing as you use upper. You can do replace Michael with Janet. So this is very useful when you have a text full of a word you want to replace. Just do replace. So this will change Michael Jackson into Janet Jackson, right?
Yeah.
And then you can also find string. This is useful too. You can also like probably you want to find out of some text you get from, like probably you calling data from Twitter, from Facebook, from TikTok. You want to find certain part of string. Only, like probably you want to find some keyword about, probably you want to find only news about Turkey earthquake or something. You can do it using substring. You can you can always find part of a string using find. So you can see it. Okay, is this sentence contains word with AB or ER or Jack or Mike or anything? You can always get it. It's basically just using find and things you want to find. Okay, that's all, Gabby. So you can do the quiz and then let me know the result later, okay? I don't want you to go burn out. I think it is enough for today. You can later, you can do it later with me. You
Yeah.
can hold this. It's okay. It's up to you, but time's up. I think we have to stop because I don't want you to get burned out.
Okay.
Okay, next time, if you like this exercise, probably we can continue this and see how far we can go.
So this is like called data science.
Yeah.
Okay.
Data science is, like it requires a strong skill of programming, and then you already have it, Gabby, a strong problem solving skill, and then a lot of passion.
Okay.
It's a long way to go, but I'm trying to find, like a short or small example. So for each step we learn, you can see the result, and then we can move on to go further else and then further. So I'm trying not to put the result too far away from us. so you cannot.
Yeah.
I will put the result, closer each time we go through the lessons.
Okay.
That Gaby. I hope you like this, the
Mhm.
lesson. Okay. Probably just let me know when you want to continue the class.
Yep, I'll let you know since I haven't gotten my schedule yet.
Okay. The schedule is changing, right?
Yeah, every week it changes.
Oh, okay, good. So you will not get bored with, routines and everything.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
This task is interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just keep healthy, Gaby.
Thank you. You too.
Good. Okay, see you next time.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you, Gaby.
Thank you.
Bye.